Hey Weso family! Welcome back to Weso Health Tips, your favorite spot for natural health and wellness insights. Today, we're exploring an amazing fruit that's as rich in health benefits as it is in flavor. Let's talk about guava. Guava is a true tropical gem, a fruit revered for centuries across cultures. From boosting your immunity to promoting glowing skin, guava has something for everyone. Stick around to discover how this small fruit can make a big impact on your health and lifestyle. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Weso Health Tips for more incredible content. Let's start by breaking down guava's powerhouse nutrition. Guava is packed with vitamin C, and here's a fun fact: it contains about 4 times more vitamin C than oranges. Why does this matter? Vitamin C not only strengthens your immune system but also aids in skin repair and collagen production. That means guava helps you fight off colds, while keeping your skin healthy and glowing. Now let's talk about fiber. Guava is a fiber champion. One serving provides about 12% of your daily fiber needs, making it a natural remedy for digestion issues like constipation. Not only does it improve your gut health, but fiber also contributes to maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. For those looking to manage their weight, guava is a dream come true. It's low in calories, just about 37 calories per fruit, yet it's incredibly filling. Plus, the potassium and antioxidants in guava work to support heart health and regulate blood pressure. It's truly a heart-smart fruit. For diabetics or anyone looking to stabilize their blood sugar levels, guava is a great option. Its low glycemic index and fiber help slow down sugar absorption, ensuring a gradual rise in blood sugar levels instead of spikes. Now, let's move to skin health, one of guava's show-stopping benefits. Guava is loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, and antioxidants, a trifecta for radiant, youthful skin. These nutrients combat free radicals, reduce inflammation, and enhance your natural glow. You can even create your own DIY face masks using guava pulp, honey, and yogurt for a spa-like experience at home. Are you ready to get creative in the kitchen? Guava is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it fresh as a quick, nutritious snack. Slice it into fruit salads for a colorful, tropical twist. Blend guava with pineapple and mango to make a refreshing smoothie, perfect for hot days. Turn it into jams, jellies, and chutneys that pair beautifully with bread, crackers, or even cheese. For dessert lovers, guava can be used as a filling for pies, in pastries, or even baked into cakes for a sweet treat. And don't forget the leaves. Guava leaves can be boiled into tea, which has been shown to help digestion, reduce inflammation, and even soothe coughs. These leaves are truly nature's pharmacy. Guava isn't just a health superstar, it's a fruit with a rich history. Guava is believed to have originated in Mexico, Central America, and northern South America, with traces of cultivation dating back as far as 2500 BC in Peru. From its ancient roots, guava spread to tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. Its medicinal uses have been a part of traditional remedies across cultures. In many parts of the world, guava leaves are boiled to make teas that alleviate diarrhea and combat harmful bacteria in the gut. Some cultures also use guava leaf extracts for hair treatments, helping prevent hair loss and promoting growth. Want to bring guava into your life in a fun way? Here are a couple of ideas. Make a homemade guava skincare mask by mashing guava pulp and mixing it with honey or yogurt. Create your own guava tea by boiling the leaves. It's perfect for digestion and relaxation. Try experimenting with guava in your favorite dessert recipes, and share your creations with us in the comments. If you learned something new today, give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with friends who love natural remedies, and don't forget to subscribe to Weso Health Tips for weekly health inspirations. Comment below, what's your favorite way to enjoy guava? We'd love to hear your ideas. Until next time, stay healthy, stay natural, and stay awesome.